Hi everybody, this is Debbie and Patty from Print and Pixel Studio, and we're here today. We're just going to do a quick little video. It's just kind of a flip through of a new kit that we have on, just listed on Etsy. It's called In My Garden, and it's a real cute little theme of country French. That's our little friend who's inside and wants to come out barking, if you can hear him. It's a little set inspired by Country French Cottage, and the first part of it, there's three double pages that are 8 3/4 by 7 1/4, so they make a smaller page in your journal, which makes it nice, so you have a different setup of different size pages. But the other thing about this, if you wanted to reduce this, say in half or 3/4, you can fold them at the fold line and make a journal card. Or if you took them down really far down, you could make a tag out of them as well, which would be cute. So there's three of those, one in the cottage, one in the tools, and one with the garden boots. And then it comes with assorted patterned paper that you can use for backings on any of the pieces. And this is a cute one with the floral and the stripe combination. And these all come 8 1/2 by 11. And then here's some of the ephemera. We did this one of the cottage kind of large because we thought somebody might want to use it as part of the cover on a journal, because it's such a gorgeous little picture, a little watercolor. And then we also made it in a smaller size for a journal card or what have you. And these are little French garden stakes, and they have different sayings on them. I'm not going to attempt to speak French, but it's watering can, flower, or no, this one says in my garden, I'm sorry. And then papillon, which is butterfly, and herb. So they make cute accents, and you can reduce these down to any size that you like. And then here are the little garden buddies. This is an idea of Debbie's, which I've always thought was so adorable. I just love this little mouse. He's so cute in his little denim overalls. And so when we put this kit together, we thought, maybe he needs a wife. So that's where she came from. And this is French for garden mouse and the gardener. And they're really cute. The little bluebird on the basket. So it gives you some cute fussy cuts to cut out, and then the two tags, which would be cute backed with any of the patterns that we have. And here's some more ephemera or fussy cuts to cut out. The little wheelbarrow is cute. And then here we have specimen cards. And it has actually the name of the flower, the forget-me-not, and then it also has its species name here. And it comes in 2 different sizes. And then the seed packs we did in 2 separate sizes as well. This is the one, the larger size here, and you just fold it and glue it, and it has a place for notes on the back. And then we also did it in the tiny size. And the reason for that was we thought that it would be cute attached, paper clipped onto one of the specimen cards. And so we made it in a smaller size, so that would be easy to do. And you can see that when it's folded and everything, it's really cute. And you could put a little piece of ephemera inside if you wanted. And then the watering cans in 3 different sizes. And again, more ephemera in different sizes so that you have flexibility to make a lot of different items. And again, they can be reduced down. Then we have 3 decorated, well, not decorated, but tags that have a full theme print on them, which are really cute. And then we also have some with just pattern paper on them so that you can decorate them any way that you like. And we have 2 different sizes of those. So that's the whole new kit, and we hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.